Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you guys that how I booked a ticket for Iceland for just 50,000 Indian rupees. So let's start this video. So for the last few years, Iceland has been on the top of every traveler's bucket list, and I myself am like not any exception. So I also dreamed of going to Iceland, and like I have been planning for going to Iceland for the last few years. And like in last November when I came back from Japan, I was looking for cheap tickets for Iceland, and when I opened Make My Trip, which is a like flight booking website, what I saw is from my place, which is Kolkata, to Iceland, it costs around 80,000 Indian rupees, and like that's too much. I mean, because 80,000 is like not really cheap. So I was looking somewhere in the range of 60,000 or like 50,000. But then like I kept looking for a few days, but I could not get anything. Then like suddenly I checked something else. What I did was, instead of checking from Kolkata to Iceland, I checked from New Delhi to Iceland. And like what I saw is that the ticket prices were selling for only 46,000 rupees, which is like really cheap. And if I like book another ticket from Kolkata to Delhi, that's like 5,000 rupees. So that means I can book the whole trip for just 52,000 Indian rupees, which is like 30,000 cheaper than what I saw if I book from Kolkata to Keflavik, which is the airport of Iceland. So then actually I started researching that how could this work. Then what I found out is that my flight from New Delhi to Keflavik is actually from Finnair. But how this works is that, I mean, to get a cheap like connecting flight, like the flight company from Kolkata to Delhi also needs to be on a contract with the company from New Delhi to Keflavik. So what happened in my case was, like, the flight company which works from Kolkata to Delhi did not have any contract with Finnair. So that means I was not shown any results which included Finnair. So that's why I was always getting all these like high prices. So my top tip is that if you want to search for cheap tickets, you always try to break down your connecting flights and try to search for them individually. So what I mean by that is, I mean, instead of searching from Kolkata to Iceland, I try to search from Kolkata to Mumbai, then Mumbai to Keflavik, or from Kolkata to Delhi, then Delhi to Keflavik airport. So I think guys, you can also try this whenever you try to book any flights. Always try to break down your connecting flights, and I hope you will be getting much cheaper prices. So that is it guys for this video. I hope this information is helpful to you, because once I knew this trick, it like totally blew my mind, and I hope that it blew your mind also. So guys, I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.